We manufacture the suspension dampening seats, which are fitted to search and rescue vehicles. The dampening action of the seat also ensures that the crew are protected on rough waves. One of the problems that the customer found was that a lot of the crew were getting back injuries. The carbon fibre bucket is manufactured in 3 main stages. So the first stage is an outer skin to give you a nice A surface on the outside of the part. Then after that has been cured in the autoclave, it is prepped, and then it goes on to stage 2 where all the internals are fitted. So this includes the metallic tubes which house the bearings which slide up and down on the metallic slider tubes on the full assembly. A suspension tube which houses the dampener and suspension unit on the full assembly, and also hard points for the harnesses and the footrest. After stage 2, which is then cured in the autoclave, goes on to stage 3, which is just an internal carbon skin which gives you the inner surface of the chair, which is where the upholstery is attached to. Once the final stage has been cured, the part is demoulded and then finished, which includes hand finishing along the edges, drilled, tapped and helicoiled using stainless steel helicals, which is then used to attach the harnesses. After stage 3 and the trimming and drilling, the seat is then polished up to a high standard. The armrests are fitted, the upholstery is fitted, and then the bucket is then assembled onto the metallic frame.